Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Angels Tarot. This is published by DaBrigh. Thank you so much to DaBrigh for sending this deck our way. I really appreciate it. This retails for $29.95, and down in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. They are affiliate links, so that means I do get a little bit of commission should you purchase from those links. So thank you so much again, and let's get into it. Get your guidance from the angels. This wonderful deck, embossed with beautiful foil accents, pays tribute to Renaissance art. The Angels Tarot connects you with the many representations of heaven's glory. A specific angel rules each major arcana card, and all the cards in the minor arcana have amazing angelic artwork. Illustrated by talented artist Kate Kalmykova, these cards and this deck will help you unlock divine messages for yourself and your clients. All right, so it is a tuck box, but look at the foiling. That is fun. All right, let's unbox it. Alrighty, there's the guidebook. Ooh, okay, that back is pretty though. Wow. Very fun. Here is the guidebook. Let's just see what we need to know. Okay, so it's based on the Rider-Waite-Smith, and then we do have spreads here. So we have the 3-card spread, and it's color in here. Oh, and that's it. Just the 3-card spread. And then it goes into the card meanings. I just wanted to see if there's anything else. Nope. Okay, looks like we're good to go. I like that it's color printed in there. It's not necessarily, a deal breaker for me, but that's really cool. All right, the cardstock itself is nice. It snaps back, it's flexible. It's kind of similar to the US game system cardstock, so it's not terribly thin, but it's not thick either. It's kind of like nice in that sweet spot where you can still maneuver it. I really like that foiling on the back. Now I'm going to tell you, oh, there's foiling on the borders too. I am not an angels person. I have made that clear in a couple other videos with the angel decks. Like, it's not my forte, so I will probably not know anything about these angels going in, but I can appreciate what they represent and, the artwork. I love the dog. The foiling is fun. It does look like there's a bit of a gloss. The number up top and the title on the bottom. That's pretty. I'm excited to see if they're like a specific angel, like Michael and is it Ariel for the majors. And being that it is like based on the Renaissance art, I don't think we'll see much diversity. That's beautiful though. I like the light, how it plays on each card. That's a new one for me. I don't really see hooded angels. Oh, they have wings. Oh, that's pretty too. Very delicate feeling, ethereal feeling. Oof, I wasn't expecting the intensity. Oh, that's intense too. Cute. Okay, so a lot of this symbolism is there in the majors. Seeing what I expect to see. Oh, I do like that foiling. There is a lot of feeling of hope and positivity in here with how the light plays. Oh, that's pretty. It is weird seeing, like, I don't normally see children with angel wings. So I'm like, oh, this is interesting. Like, not a negative thing at all. It's just, this is definitely not something that I would choose personally, just because, like, I don't really know much about angels. So don't take what I say as a negative. I'm just not used to this certain imagery. I mean, I'm used to like cherubs, like the little babies with the angel wings, but not like adolescent kids, I guess. Anyway, just me musing. This definitely fits all of the symbolism that you would expect to see in a Rider-Waite Smith based deck, just with angels. There's like a rainbow aura effect going on there. That's pretty. Like a prism. Same here. That's really cool. I like that effect a lot. I think that brings a lot to the art. Oh, that is gorgeous. This reminds me of Aurora from Sleeping Beauty. The gown. Make it pink. That cake that the fairies make, so satisfying with that animation. Yeah, I really do love this like light aura effect. I think that's really fun, and it brings that like angelic feel to the artwork. That's really cool. You can see it behind the clouds too. It's the little things like that that your brain picks up on, and you're like, why do I like that so much? And then you start picking it apart and you're like, oh, that's really cool. I think if you're someone who enjoys angels and what they represent and likes to work with that, this might be a deck for you. The quality feels really nice. The foiling is what gets me. It's a really nice foil on the back, as well as the borders and the titles and numbers. I think this is great too for people who do tarot, that work with it, as well as their Christianity belief, if that's something that they utilize. Or if you are deconstructing your faith and you want a deck that feels, somewhat familiar to you while you're doing that, this might be a deck for you as well. Okay, so hear me out. This reminds me of the scene in, was it Thor Ragnarok, where they have all the Valkyrie fight, that one like dynamic scene that they go in the past for, like they're recalling Valkyrie's like triumphant, I don't remember exactly, but that's what this is giving me. When I flip through decks like this, I always end up finding, art or symbols that, remind me of pop culture moments, or, moments that I have lived. So that's how I relate to the deck. So forgive me if that took a left turn there, but I know some of you can relate. Oh, that's really pretty. Look at that, like, sunburst. The cat. Some of these I find really beautiful. Like, stuff I would put on my art. Oh, and there's the artist. Okay, let's see how this shuffles, and we'll pull a card. Yeah, I like how it shuffles. The cardstock is nice. Very easy to maneuver here. Let's see this way. Yeah. Oh, we're going to read for that one. Yeah, I like how it shuffles. I don't have an issue. The card size is a great size. It's like your standard size. So we're all good. Oh, look at that. We're going to read for the Tower. All right. And we have the color card art on the left, meaning the Tower represents a sudden, unexpected change that takes something we have built over time and quickly forces us to start over or reset. The Tower as an archetype is the 16th encounter for the Fool, teaching the lesson that life is a construct that can be blown up at any time, forcing us to make unexpected adjustments. So the angel, oh, that's really cool. So this would be the fallen angels. I just want to see. Yep. Okay, so we do have Lucifer for the devil. And okay, cool. It does tell you the different angels that are represented in the card. So symbolism. 2 of the angels who fought alongside Lucifer fall from the tower, which represents the safety of the kingdom of heaven, which is no longer available to those angels who rebelled. Upright and reversed. Unexpected change, sudden catastrophe, and blowing things up. All right. Very cool. And then we do have the same for the minors. We just don't have a specific angel that is being represented. It's just a generic, I'll say, angel. So that's very cool. So if you're trying to learn about your angels, this might be a helpful way to do so. Like I said before, I am not an angel person. I know nothing about this outside a few of the more popular angel names. But other than that, I don't have any expertise in the area. However, what I will say, it is beautifully done as far as quality goes. It is pretty artwork. This personally is not a connection for me, just because, like I said, I don't know anything about it. So I don't feel a strong connection to the deck personally. Things that I would change if it were up to me is I would have more diversity as far as skin color and walks of life and body shapes. But again, this was represented or based upon Renaissance artwork, which we all know not very much of that going on. So that being said, I think it's great if you are an angels person. I think it's a great tool to learn on for that reason too, if you are also trying to learn about the angel realm. If you are someone trying to dip their toes into tarot and you come from a more religious background as far as like Christianity, Catholicism, and all of that, this might be a great deck to help you start that out. Or if you are deconstructing that faith and want to find a deck that is more familiar feeling to you, not so foreign with the art and the symbolism, this might be a deck for you too. This is not me, condoning or saying anything negative about religion in general, so do keep that in mind. I'm just saying there are options available for both ends of the spectrum. So with that being said, thank you so much to DaBrigh for sending this deck our way to check out and see. And thank you guys for watching and for spending your time with me. I would love to know your thoughts about this deck down in the comment section below. And whilst you're there adding your comment, don't forget to put a sun emoji in the comments to let me know that you made it this far in the video. Thank you so much again for hanging out with me and spending your time with me. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.